Guys, thank you for joining us again. Today we're going to be making this beautiful sign on behalf of a client of ours, the Waxing Studio. It's a studio that's situated in Avondale and is being run by an incredible young lady. Check them out. But before we start on how we did it, allow us to introduce ourselves. Our client sent us the file. She already had a PDF file that she wanted us to use when making her sign. Her logo had been designed elsewhere. We didn't design it. All we were doing was making her the sign that she required. So we started off by sectioning the sign because we were going to be using two colors of acrylic, one with black acrylic, or rather one where we were going to cover our acrylic with black vinyl and then cut on black vinyl that's on top of acrylic, and the other one that had rose gold glitter. So we had to separate them so we know which one is going to be cut on which acrylic color. What we do with the base when we send it over to cut on our laser is we use a technique called a kiss cutting technique. This technique makes it easier for us to layer any acrylics on top of the base. After we are done cutting the base of the acrylic, we then cut the other color acrylics, which we are going to layer on top of the base acrylic. When that process is completed, we put our sign together. So this is the part that we allow you to enjoy the process. once again for joining us, guys. We love you. We appreciate you. Please don't forget to keep asking people to come and watch our videos. We make beautiful things out of acrylic, out of paper, out of board. We also engrave on wood. So we appreciate you coming and taking your time in watching our videos and enjoying, we hope, the process. So see you next Monday. Remember, we post a video every single Monday. So please come and please stay. We love you. We'll see you next Monday. Bye bye.